Did you see this was?
A Kylo wrench.
Kylo wrench. What is up, guys? It's vlog number 2 here with Pete and Chris. Peter and Christopher, and we're out here and we're driving cars today.
Yeah.
We're driving cars.
Your car's in the road, Aiden. I'm gonna have to climb this, Peter.
Oh, climb it.
Ow.
Oh. Oh, you did it.
Oh yeah.
What car is this, Christopher? This is the Traxxas something?
The Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Defender.
TRX4 Land Rover Defender. If you guys are looking for a review, this is not it. We are just going to be playing with it.
What?
We are not reviewing this car. Just a disclaimer.
Yeah.
We are just going to be doing stuff with it today.
We're not sponsored by Land Rover or Traxxas.
And that's Aiden. What is this car here?
No idea. The Traxxas /4x4.
Traxxas /4x4. It's pretty fast.
NIMH powered.
This is Aiden actually right here.
What?
He's not part of the channel. He's just one of our friends.
He's part of my channel.
Oh yeah, he's part of Gother's. Gother.
He basically on every 3 thumbnails. He's there.
Go on Gother and you'll see.
Now then, let's have an accelerate battle.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go. So I've got to go. Oh god.
Dude.
Go over there and do it right here. Come towards me.
Oh my god.
Hit me with your cars. Here we go. We're sitting down right here. Dude, get out in front of your car.
No, I'm in the middle. It's gonna look cool.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Come on, right here. Go on either side of me. Either side of me. Keep going. Oh, gosh.
It's a steep curb.
Oh.
Oh man. I did it. Oh man, my car is so powerful.
Yes, you did. Oh wow, there was a ramp right there to get onto.
And guys, I'm just gonna say right now, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button right now.
Dude, your car sounds like a lawnmower.
We need to get subscribers on this channel.
I think the battery, yeah, the battery doesn't. I didn't plug it in.
Oh, maybe from jumping off the curb.
Yeah, probably. Maybe just way too far. Okay, let's go. And plug it in.
Testing the speed. That lightsaber, it belongs to me. It's doing push-ups. What the heck?
Oh, what is that?
No drifting.
No drifting.
No drifting. Unless it's there. No drifting unless you're Aiden's car. Okay.
Guys, it tipped over.
Go.
Oh, go. Do it again.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh cool. We can do this. That's so close. What just happened?
I don't know. We're trying to get it up automatically, but I don't think this is gonna work.
Aiden, drive off the curb.
But do not
Right
hit
here.
the car.
Oh, whoa! I couldn't even see that. Let's do it.
Oh no. Do what?
Dude, drive over me.
Oh yeah.
Drive over me.
It's like driving off the curb. Oh, that would damage the road. I'm just gonna go full speed all the way through there.
No.
Aiden, I'm gonna drive over him. You're not gonna drive over him. I'm gonna drive over him. Aiden, stop.
I can't see what I put. Oh gosh.
That's the bad spot.
Not there.
Okay, I'm actually gonna go over here.
Go over my actual like
I'm
stomach right
actually
here.
gonna go over here. Watch, watch. This is gonna be like a dinosaur film. Watch me slowly go.
No. Ah. Ah. Ah.
I can't get off.
No, do it.
Wait, can I do that one more time?
This was your idea.
Actually, no. That's not good in so many ways. Some good, some bad.
What? That was fun. Drive over me full speed.
Where do you want me to just drive over?
Right here.
Sure.
Like right over here.
I can't imagine anything bad going wrong.
Actually, not full speed. Just a little bit fast.
Wait, I can help you. I can help
Ouch! I'm being ran over.
you. Aiden, I can help you.
What if somebody like pulled into that parking spot? Pulled into the parking spot while I was sitting there. That would not be good. Here, can you get over me?
Oh, I can get up you.
Ah! Ah!
Okay, I'm gonna actually get up the curb.
Oh!
Oh, I got up it.
Oh!
I got up the curb, no problem.
I feel like kind of like rip. Aiden, stop ripping up the land, dude.
Aiden, jump down the steps.
Yeah, I can.
Oh!
Dude,
I'm gonna drive into the trash can.
Go follow them. Follow them. Go towards the kid. Do it. They can't see us. It's a social experiment, dude.
A social experiment. It's not a prank, it's a social experiment, man. This is
wait, higher.
Okay guys, that's going to be the end of vlog number 2. We're going to end it here because we didn't know if we wanted to add anything more after what you just saw. But it was getting kind of long. We're going to keep the vlogs. We're going to try to keep them around 7 to 8 minutes because we know you guys are busy. We want you guys to be able to watch the whole thing. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, comment on it, give us your recommendations. I know the focusing sound was a little bit loud. We're going to try to get a microphone really soon, so just bear with us with that. And so yeah, that's it for this vlog number 2. Next vlog, vlog 3, will be coming a week from today. So next Friday, watch it when you get home from school. Share it with your family, because we want a lot of subscribers. We want to become famous. Maybe not. Maybe not famous, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next week.